Hello and welcome to our Power BI course. In this video series, we'll be diving deep into the world of business intelligence, exploring how Power BI can empower the organizations to unlock the valuable insights from their data. So let's kick off the things by understanding what exactly business intelligence is and why it is crucial in today's data-driven landscape. So first, coming to the point, what exactly is business intelligence? At its core, business intelligence, often abbreviated as BI, refers to the technologies, application, and practices for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. In simpler terms, it's all about turning the raw data into actionable insights that drive the informed decision making within the organizations. Then we come to the point, what exactly is the objective of business intelligence? The primary objective of business intelligence is to transform the data into actionable insights by harnessing the power of data. Organizations can gain a deeper understanding of their operations, customers, and market dynamics, which enables them to make the better informed decisions and drive the business success. There are some key components of business intelligence. Business intelligence encompasses several key components, including the data integration, data warehouse, data visualization, reporting, and analytics. These components can work together to enable the organizations to collect, store, analyze, and visualize the data effectively, ultimately, which powers them to extract these valuable insights. Now, let's talk about the importance of business intelligence in decision making. In today's fast paced business environment, making data driven decisions is paramount to success. Business intelligence plays a crucial role in this process by providing decision makers with timely, accurate, and relevant information. By leveraging the insights derived from these BI tools like Power BI, organizations can identify the trends, mitigate the risk, seize the opportunities, and optimize the performance, ultimately gaining a competition edge in the market. Now, let's talk a bit about the BI lifecycle. The BI lifecycle encompasses several stages, including the data acquisition, data integration, data analysis, and information delivery. This iterative process ensures that the organizations continuously extract the valuable from their data, driving continuous improvements and the innovations. Now, let's talk a bit about the benefits of business intelligence. The benefits of business intelligence are manifold. Some of the key advantages include improved decision making. By providing the decision makers with actionable insights, BI enables organizations to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. The second one is the enhanced operational efficiency. BI helps streamline the process, identify the bottlenecks, and optimize the resource allocation, which leads to the improved operational efficiency and cost saving. The third one is the increased competitiveness. By leveraging the data to gain insights into the market trends, customer preferences, and competitor activities, organizations can stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in the industry. The next one is the better customer experience. BI enables the organizations to better understand their customer needs and preferences, which allows them to personalize the products, services, and marketing campaigns to enhance the customer experience. The next one is the risk mitigation. By identifying the potential risk and vulnerabilities in advance, BI enables the organizations to take the proactive measures to mitigate the risk and safeguard their business interest. In essence, business intelligence with Power BI isn't just looking at the historical data. It's about leveraging the data as a strategic asset to anticipate the future trends also, optimize the processes, and stay ahead of the competition. In this course, we'll be exploring how Power BI can enable us to harness the full potential of the business intelligence from connecting to the data sources and transforming the raw data into the meaningful insights to creating some stunning visualizations and sharing reports with the stakeholders. We will cover everything you need to know to become proficient in Power BI and unlock the power of data. This is all for this session. In the next session, we will be taking a look at the stages of business intelligence. Thank you.